This is usually the suction cup that comes with a screen replacement kit for the iPhones. Now this will work, but if you use too much strength when pulling on the iPhone screen, you have the risk of pulling too strongly or too fast, and then you might rip the cables up from over here if you don't do it in a gentle way. The safest way to open an iPhone is with one of these. These suction cups limit how much you open your iPhone. I'll demonstrate it for you here. You just slide the phone in. Make sure it's sealed on both sides. And then you hold here for safety. And then you just slowly put pressure until it pops open. Just like that. And see, you won't end up opening too much and breaking the ribbons up here when you open the screen. And just flip that. Flip this. There you have it. You can open up the phone. I got this on eBay for around $6, and they are called opening pliers, LCD opening pliers. I'll post a link in the description if you want to get it yourself. There's you see there the stopping mechanism, so it doesn't open too much. Opens just right for you to open your phone.